This finish is called the Salty Kiss. It was originally done by Debbie of Debbie's Design Diaries, and this is the story of why I picked up DIY paint. A friend of mine told me, "Have you seen this girl? Her name's Debbie from Debbie's Design Diaries. She's quirky and funny and she does crazy stuff." So I'm watching these videos and she's funny and she's quirky and the camera's up here and she's telling stories while she's doing her videos and they're just great. So I thought to myself, I want to do that finish. That's so different. That's so fun. I'm so tired of painting stuff one color. I don't think I can. My friend that sent me the video says, yes, you can. Just use the paint that you have. DIY paint is a clay-based chalk paint. That means there is no acrylic or latex used as the base. That makes it completely different from most other paint brands. Following Debbie's plan, we're going to use Mermaid Tail, Queen Bee, and Bohemian Blue. We're going to apply them all with a roller. We're applying our paint on pretty thick. And let's do some Queen Bee. And I'll get that up. So it's looking pretty good, right? So now we're going to put Bohemian Blue, and we're going to kind of blend the edges a little bit. You want to make sure you have all your wood covered up. Go ahead and use your roller and just start blending in any areas that you may have missed. I went back in with the same colors and a putty knife to build up some texture in certain areas. And the paint allows you to build it up pretty easily. If you let it dry for just a second, you can do it even faster. Now that we have it all covered and it's just about dry, we're going to take Farm Fresh. Water that down so it's about the consistency of milk, and now we're going to cover our entire piece with it. I do thin coats, not thick ones. This was the point where I realized that watering down my regular chalk paint was not going to work. The results were disastrous, and I guess you won't be surprised to know that I did not take a picture of it. You want your paint nice and runny, and you want it to drip in some areas. For my second coat, I got lazy and decided to see what the squirt bottle would do. I mixed the paint and the water in there and sprayed it on. When that was just about dry, I went back in with watered down Bohemian Blue and Mermaid Tail. I used my misting bottle to spread the paint a bit so it wouldn't be too strong. This finish is what convinced me that I needed DIY paint. I've been carrying it now for about 2.5 years and I'm so happy to have it. There's so many cool things you can do with it. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried DIY paint. Using a wet rag, we can go back in and start revealing all the layers of colors that we built up. Use a gentle touch at first to see how much you need. I wanted to bring out the natural wooden areas, so I rubbed harder to reveal it. Going back in with the putty knife again, you can chip off the paint that you built up and reveal the colors underneath. DIY clear wax has the consistency of butter and is easy to apply. At first, it will dramatically change the color of your piece, and then it will dry to an even sheen. If you didn't catch Debbie's original video, I'll put the link at the end. When the wax has dried, go back and buff it with a soft cloth. So that's how it happened. I ordered some samples of DIY paint, tried it, and sure enough, it worked. To shop for DIY paint or to see Debbie's video, please click the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget that only you can make it happen.